Advertising on social media but not getting the clicks that you need? Spending tons of time writing up your ads but getting poor results? Creating the right ads for the right target audience can be daunting, but help is on the way. Introducing Gorgeous Advert Suite. Gorgeous Advert Suite allows you to create absolutely gorgeous animated ads and promos that simply work. The suite is packed with thousands upon thousands of gorgeous animated ads that are designed by marketers and proven to engage viewers. The marketers have used a proven scientific approach to designing these ads to make sure that they will trigger the viewer to take action. Countless hours was spent putting these ads together and gathering the results to save you time and money. Your attention-grabbing ads will be so easy to put together. You'll get to pick from 2,800 proven, beautifully designed animated ad templates. Each template includes two unique versions, an eye-catching mainstream animated version and the ultra-creative motion ads version that covers 70 different niches. Each template also includes specific size specifications for different social media platforms. With Gorgeous Advert Suite, you could create beautiful ads that work for all major social media platforms such as Facebook, Google Ads, Pinterest, Snapchat, and many more. Gorgeous Advert Suite is extremely versatile, and every element in the template is customizable. Besides engaging animated ads, you could also use Gorgeous Advert Suite to create eye-catching promotional materials to drive waves of traffic to your campaigns. Now, we know how important working with your clients is, so we have included agency rights with this completely for free. Now you can offer these scientifically proven social media ads to your clients as an additional recurring service to maximize your profits. See how these gorgeous animated ads look. With Gorgeous Advert Suite, your guesswork will be eliminated when it comes to creating ads that work. With access to thousands of eye-catching proven animated ads that are designed by experienced marketers with a scientific approach, Gorgeous Advert Suite is truly the ultimate suite to create impressive ads and promos that work. This is a must-have, so get it today.